So, hello everybody. My name is Chiara Torresan. Through my poster, I want to present to you, where is my presentation? Yeah. Okay. I want to present to you the development of our UAV-LiDAR system that we carry out at the Institute of Bioeconomy of the National Research Council of Italy. I will provide you with detail on the architecture of the system, its component, the development of the code for data acquisition, and the generation of the point cloud in the poster session. Here, I just want to sum up the results of the performance of our LiDAR system. So, more detail in the poster session. We assess the accuracy and the uncertainty of the system in the angular static, angular dynamic, and the in-flight condition. Focusing on the in-flight condition, the test demonstrated that the uncertainty in height ranges between 5 and 10 centimeters in the case of a single strip, and between 5 and 16 centimeters in the case of combination on 9 strips. We investigated the potential of LiDAR data collected with our system for the individual tree coordination to derive forest biometric parameter over 2-layered dense mixed forest stand in central Italy. We flew in an area of around 1.5 hectares for 10 minutes, and we obtained a point cloud with a density of 190 points per square meter. Then we applied the ITC LiDAR function that you probably know of the ITC segment package in R, which is based on a raster-based local maximum region growing algorithm. And we isolated the individual tree crown, we computed the height and the grow area, and we estimated the DBH and the above ground biomass of each individual tree. Segmentation was successful at segmenting tree with a diameter larger than 10 centimeters. In this case, the detection range was around 80%, while failed to detect tree with a smaller DBH. So, through the development of our LiDAR system, we learned some lessons. Specifically, we learned that the sensor to invest in is the GNSS RTCAP receiver, and probably is in line with what Julian Tomastik showed this morning. For this reason, we moved to a multi-band RTCAP GNSS receiver, which is the Emil Rich RS2. We learned that the communication system between the onboard sensor and the ground station must be solid and flexible. This was the crucial point in our field activity. We also learned that the reconciling research aspect with the training about UAV regulation and aircraft operation is not always easy and convenient for a researcher. We learned that it is better to invest in system development and data processing, relying probably in an external company, both for the UAV flight and renter the drone. So finally, we learned that there is a need to develop a segmentation algorithm for species with a flat or irregular grow, so for species different than conifer. I would be glad to discuss with you about the poster. Thank you.
Thank you.